Hi, my name is Nick. I am a certified Google Ads rep at Legal Leads Group. Legal Leads Group is an attorney owned ad agency. And today's article is going to talk about all the things we do here at LLG to help our PI clients increase their MVA case lead. So, if you go to our website, lucrativelegal.com, click on Law Firm News, you can actually access today's blog. It's titled Get Car Accident Case Leads from Google Ads. In today's article, we're going to touch on all the things that we do here at LLG to help our PI clients get high quality MVA leads, car accident leads, commercial truck accident leads, how they can adjust their campaign so they can lower their cost per click, increase quality conversions, and attempt to weed out some of the stuff that most PI lawyers get that they don't want to get, which are too many med mal calls, too many workers' comp calls, too many dog bite calls, too many ticky tack slip and falls, and really how you can streamline your campaign so you can get more coveted MVA leads. So, right away, we dive into get car accident cases from Google Ads. The next section we're going to talk about is how to build aggressive Google ad campaigns for motor vehicle accidents, understanding the cost per click and cost per acquisition of car accident case leads, scrubbing and qualifying tactics to get better MVA leads, the different types of Google ad campaigns used to get car accident case leads, how to use Google local service ads for auto accident case leads, how television and traditional marketing actually help increase Google ad conversions, how our Saturn AI platform helps us qualifying and dequalifying cases so you can potentially get refunds from your LSAs. We're going to talk about geofencing and retargeting. And again, at the end, we're going to try to sell you. We're going to try to talk to you about why we think you should turn to Legal Leads Group when you're looking to increase your car accident caseload. So, real quick, to dive directly into our process of building car accident case lead campaigns, uh, the first thing starts with aggressive Google ad campaigns. From keyword selection, keyword phrases, how to use PMAX campaigns, when to use them, when not to use them, how to strategically use broad match keywords versus exact match keywords, when and how to use long tail keywords, audience targeting, understanding geographic targeting, demographic targeting, optimization of ad copy, different headlines using CTAs, call to actions, obviously using ad extensions. And again, leveraging Google's learning machine capabilities, talking about smart bidding strategies, utilizing responsive search ads, and then obviously maintaining the campaign and continuously adjusting it so that as your law firm competitors make moves, we make moves to stay two steps ahead of the competition to bring you the cases that you want. We're going to dive into understanding CPC, factors that actually influence cost per click. So the competitors of the keyword, your Google quality score, your ad rank. We'll spend a lot of time talking about Google quality score and optimization score and how that can actually significantly decrease your cost per click. We'll talk about cost per acquisition and ROAS, Google's return on ad spend, how to balance your CP and CPA, and then obviously get a lower cost per click so you can stretch a budget, maximize your Google ad spend so you can get more quality cases. In addition to getting the calls in, you also want to scrub the calls. We want to make sure that we're not spending time on cases that can't convert. So things like, did they go to the hospital? Did they seek medical attention? Are they the party that was actually injured in the case? Was there a police report filed? Was insurance exchanged? Did they have any injuries prior to this accident? Things like that that help actually deliver a quality lead. We talk about scrubbing the leads, our lead qualification process. We also have some tools that can help increase your CTR. So things with automation, our CRM system, and then obviously making notes and improving the pull through ratio by adding and redacting certain things from the campaigns. We're going to do a deep dive into each particular campaign. So search campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns, combining campaign types for maximum impact. And then also we're going to kind of segue into how we believe Google local service ads should be utilized and how you can combine your LSAs with your traditional ads to get a better impression share in the LSAs, which we talk about a lot, get that increased visibility, and also not get bogus calls on your LSAs for things like MedMal if you don't want MedMal, or workers' comp if you don't want workers' comp. The next thing that we're going to talk about is how traditional marketing can significantly increase your conversion rate on your paid ads. Obviously, if you come up number one, two, or three in the paid ads, you're not the only law firm there. People who go to Google tend to have forgotten a TV ad or a radio ad or a billboard ad. That's why they're going to Google. However, once they go to Google and type in a keyword like car accident lawyer or abogado de accidente, and they see two or three or four firms in the ads, they'll remember your TV ad or your billboard or your radio jingle. That memory will help them click on your ad over a competitive law firm. So this section here talks about how traditional marketing can increase your CTR, increase your conversions, increase your relevancy, and make you a lot more money. The next thing we're going to talk about is our Saturn AI system. This is our in-house AI that qualifies and disqualifies leads. Spend a lot of time talking about this and reading about this. Kick the idea around with your internal attorneys and paralegals. This saves you a lot of time, a lot of heartache, and a lot of money, as it can qualify or disqualify in with those Google local service ads, because there is that refund credit clause from Google. If it's not an actual MVA lead and that's all you want to focus on, we can go ahead and get a refund for you. The next section talks about geofencing. So this is really cool. Obviously, if you don't know about geofencing, take a look at it. This actually helps you get your ads delivered to you, and sometimes they don't even have to be a keyword trigger ad. We'll talk about the geofencing capabilities of Google Ads and social media, as well as the retargeting capabilities with Google Ads and social media. And then the last section here is just how we would like to try to sell you. Obviously, we're in the business of helping law firms. We do provide all this information for free. We understand that not every law firm can afford an ad agency, nor does every law firm want to work with an ad agency. We try to give you as many free tips as we can. These are the same tactics that we utilize for our clients. Try to implement themselves for free if you want. What we're hoping is that you would rather spend time working on files, working on cases, and you would rather leave the heavy lifting of your Google Ads to an agency that specializes in it. This section is us trying to pitch you to buy, pitch you to sell, pitch you to acquire our services. Read it. It does have information as well as resources at the end. At the end of the day, everyone at Legal Leads Group hopes that you and your law firm have productive campaigns. If you have questions or you would like a free case review of your case campaigns, give us a call at 805 273 8791, 805 273 8791, or visit our website at www.lucrativelegal.com.